What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tim, and I am super excited because we are adding a Grail sneaker to the collection. Now, I've been waiting to add this sneaker to the collection for about 2 to 3 years. I've been on the hunt for the perfect condition and the perfect deal. And what makes this deal even better is that it's not costing me a dime because we are trading 2 pairs of sneakers from my collection for this sneaker. So right now I'm kind of going through my collection, and if I haven't worn this sneaker in over 2.5 years, I'm getting it out of here. So right here, I did bring 2 pairs of Yeezy 350s. I haven't worn these sneakers in quite some time, so it's time to move on and actually add a pair in the collection that I want to have and I'm gonna actually use. So I already messaged the store on Instagram and we kind of worked out a deal, but I want to see the pair in hand, make sure it is in good condition, and I know they want to check on my pair to make sure they're in good condition as well. So let's go in and let's see if we can make a deal happen.
Oh, what's up, man?
What's up, bro? He says he's gonna pass on this T-shirt,
Yeah,
and I know
150 each, right?
Yeah, that's what y'all said. I know y'all want.
Threes?
Yeah, for the black cement
Yeah,
threes.
gotcha. Let me go bring that out. Tag's there, it's yellowed, but
Yeah.
beige.
Yeah, exactly.
And wear these much, or? It's
I mean,
yellow, but it's not.
yeah. I'd probably worn maybe like 2 or 3 times. I don't know. I just haven't really been wanting to put them on feet. They don't really go well with like a lot of the baggier pants. It looks kind of weird now, and
I agree. Yeah.
the white, bro, or the blue tint,
Yeah.
kind of is gonna get super dirty quickly. So
And once Yeezys get dirty, it kind of just loses.
yeah,
all the
you're not
value.
you're not washing them. So right now I'm basically going through the collection, and if I haven't worn it in over 2 years,
Yeah.
it's going out for something that I want. So
I just did that recently too.
yeah, haven't worn those in 2 years. So and this is a pair I've been looking for quite some time in a good condition, because usually you have a lot of like paint cracking here,
Cracking, chipping,
Yeah.
severe creasing,
yeah,
maybe even separation, I guess, depending on how
how
beat it was. But
yeah, exactly. So this pair is super clean and definitely gonna get a lot more wears than those. I don't know if I probably wore those maybe for like 20 minutes. I'm pretty sure I put them on.
yeah.
And I don't think I even went outside with them.
I wasn't feeling it.
Yeah, I mean, at first, like when they first dropped them and they released, I wanted them really bad.
Yeah.
Just because you know he wasn't doing any colors with Yeezys.
Yeah.
He was doing everything blue tints, grays, tans.
Nothing that really pops.
Yeah, exactly. And then he drops those. I'm like, okay, I gotta get them. And then got them and never really wore them. And then for the tee, he said just come back later because it's still
Yeah.
Travis too.
Yeah.
Okay. So then there's $10 credit. You think we could do like $10 cash or no?
We couldn't do 10 cash. Yeah. We could either hold on to it or.
You got any here for $10? That anything interesting?
Stickers are 5 each. Keychain's 12. So if you want to do that, you can take a keychain. I mean, it's 2 extra, but like,
Yeah.
we're not gonna buzz over that.
No, I'll just hold it then because you know I'll come back in here and I might need it.
Is $10, but
What was that?
a brush is $10, but it's up to you.
Yeah. No, I'll just hold it. I'll just hold it
I
up because I'll be in here.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be letting go of the blue tints, frozen yellows, for what's right here in this box, and that is a black cement Air Jordan 3. Finally acquired it. Been hunting it down for quite some time. Great condition, great price. Super excited about it. So we are back in the whip after the transaction, and as you guys saw, they passed on the Travis Scott tee. They said come back later during summertime because it's still cold, so they're not buying short sleeve t-shirts. But we're not here for that. We're here for the main attraction. I finally have black cement 3s in the sneaker collection. Ooh, I know these dropped, I believe, 2019, and unfortunately, I passed on them. I just wasn't buying too many sneakers, and the black cement 3 wasn't on that top 10 tier list. But as I got older, my taste has changed just a little bit, and black cement 3. This might be the best Air Jordan 3 of all time. And right here, we have a great condition from 2019 OG All. We got the box. We even have the hang tag. As you can see, it is yellow because of the age. But man, the sock lining good. We don't have too much dust in here. Nike Air still on the insole, which is fire because You know, usually that wears off if you wear the sneaker a lot, and obviously he didn't wear the sneaker that much because it is not worn off. And usually you see a lot of paint chipping on Air Jordan 3s right here on the midsole, and this pair is super clean. Yes, there are definitely flaws, some paint fading, and there are minor paint chips, but nothing compared for the price. So they had these at $290. They gave me $150 each on both Yeezys, so I had $300 store credit. So right here I do have $10 left over store credit for them, which is good. And I'm just super excited I finally have this sneaker in my collection. I can't wait to start rocking it. And make sure y'all stay tuned to the IG for some Instagram fits, because I'm definitely going to be breaking some necks in these black cement 3s. If you guys aren't following me on TikTok and Instagram, what are y'all doing? It's going to be the top link down in the description box below. Come through and show some love to your boy. And if you guys aren't subscribed to the YouTube channel, come on, subscribe up. Make sure you smash that like button. Turn on post notifications. You already know what to do. We're on our road to 5,000 subs, and I need y'all help to get me there. I'm hoping to get there by the end of the summertime, so we have about 6 months or so to hit that 5K sub goal. But right here, the beautiful black cement 3s with that Nike Air on the ass. Look at that, boy. Ooh. The red is still good. The Jumpman is beautiful. Leather on here is amazing. Now, I have been hearing rumors that we might be seeing a black cement 3 reimagined later this year. And they're talking about it might be an all suede upper. And if that is true, I like the idea of it, but I still want to have the leather joints in my collection. So I might be adding those to the collection as well. We got to see how Nike and Jordan Brand, how they do the quality, how they actually reimagine the Air Jordan 3. But if they do a reimagined Air Jordan 3 similar to the white cement, where it's basically the same shoe, leather is all the same, but we have an aged midsole, we have an aged back tab, we have aged hits, aged leather throughout the sneaker, I still want to add that shoe to the collection 100%, because, you know, these being 2019, so what's that, 5 years old, these are prone to, you know, paint chipping, so the paint is going to start cracking very, very soon, because I plan on wearing this shoe a lot. We might see some sole separation just due to the wear and the age of the sneaker, so I'm definitely going to want to get my hands on those reimagines if they are similar to the OG pair. But I'm just super excited to finally have this sneaker in the collection. I love it, and I can't wait to start rocking it. Make sure to let me know who won the deal in the comment section below. I think I definitely did come up on these, because right now, brand new, these are going for $600. And I was able to trade 2 pairs of used Yeezys that I haven't worn in 2 years. I definitely think I won that deal. But let me know in the comment section down below. Alright guys, well that's going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Like I said, if you guys aren't following me on Instagram or TikTok, both of those links will be down in the description box below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn post notifications on, and drop a like on this video. And if y'all are looking to join up on the Discord, I highly recommend checking out my Discord, top link down in the description box below. Come through as we continue to build out the community over there. Alright, and y'all can see by my window, it is rainy and cold out here in Atlanta, Georgia. But inside, I'm sunny and shiny. So we're going to leave the video right here, and we're going to catch you guys in the next one. It's been your boy Tim, signing off. Peace.